Yep, now that you're on a network. Congrats! Mwah.
D'Artagnan, no, you didn't. No, D'Artagnan, you get back here. Get back here. No, do not. No, no, no.
Got these Purina tiny busy bones. And they're smaller, which is good because I want them to be smaller. These are for my little Yorkies. My Yorkies absolutely love them. They're pretty hard, so it takes them quite a while to get through it. It's not a rawhide, no choking. Yeah, I really like them a lot. What can I say? My dogs like them a lot. Great buy.